Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have the working key and the new key fob on hand before starting. Confirm the replacement fob is blank and that you have any factory key if required. Ensure all doors are closed and the ignition is off before you begin. This prevents the security system from interrupting programming. You can program up to 8 remotes per vehicle, including the working key, so remove extra fobs if you will exceed that number. Keep the vehicle in park with the parking brake engaged for safety while working. Insert the working key and turn the ignition to the RUN position twice, ending in RUN the second time and then back to OFF. Close and open the driver door, then turn ignition to OFF to complete the cycle. Do this to wake the vehicle module. Repeat this cycle 8 times, ending with the ignition in the OFF position on the 8th cycle. The locks will cycle once to confirm entry into programming mode. If locks do not cycle, start over and verify doors are securely closed. Press any button on the new fob within 30 seconds after the lock cycle once. Hold the button for about 1 second. Wait for the door locks to cycle to confirm successful programming of each fob. If they cycle twice, the procedure failed and must be repeated. Repeat button press for any additional remotes within the same session. Press each remote once. Test lock, unlock, and trunk functions before exiting programming mode to confirm all buttons operate. Then remove the key and start the engine to verify remote start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.